Let's be honest, we've all been there. You take your car in for a simple oil change, and suddenly the mechanic tells you there's a huge list of urgent problems that need fixing right now. Next thing you know, you're hundreds of dollars lighter, and wondering if you just got scammed. Well, today we're exposing 10 of the most common mechanic scams that everyone falls for, and how to avoid them. So, buckle up. This video might save you a lot of money and frustration in the future. Scam number 1. The full fluid flush trick. This one's an old classic. You go in for an oil change, and the mechanic says, "Your transmission fluid looks dirty. You need a full system flush." Sounds urgent, right? The truth? In most cases, it's completely unnecessary. Modern cars rarely need a full fluid flush unless there's a real issue. Transmission and brake fluids don't magically go bad overnight. They degrade slowly and can usually just be topped up or changed at regular intervals. Many shops push this service because it's quick, easy, and makes them a lot of profit. So before you agree to a $300 flush, check your owner's manual. If it's not listed in your maintenance schedule, you probably don't need it. Scam number 2. The "you need new brakes" lie. You come in for something simple, and suddenly the mechanic says, "Your brake pads are dangerously low. We need to replace them right now. And sure, brakes are important, but here's the catch. Some shops exaggerate wear or even show you someone else's worn pads to scare you into paying." Always ask to see your actual brakes or get a second opinion before agreeing. Most pads last 40,000 to 60,000 miles, and there's usually plenty of warning before they truly need replacing. If your brakes aren't squealing or feeling soft, it's probably not urgent. Scam number 3. The check engine light. Your check engine light pops on, panic mode activated. You go to the shop, and they tell you it's $120 just to diagnose the problem. Here's the truth. Most auto parts stores like AutoZone, O'Reilly's, or Advance Auto will scan your check engine light for free. Mechanics rely on most people not knowing this. They charge you for a 5-minute scan that costs them nothing. Sure, detailed diagnostics take more time, but for basic code reading, never pay for it. Scam number 4. The tune-up. Here's one that sounds professional but doesn't actually mean much anymore. The tune-up. Mechanics love to say, "Your car needs a full tune-up." But modern cars don't even require what tune-ups used to mean. In older vehicles, it meant adjusting carburetors, timing, and ignition. Today, most of that is controlled by computers. A real tune-up now just means replacing spark plugs, filters, or fluids. Things you can often do yourself for a fraction of the price. If a shop offers a tune-up package, ask them exactly what it includes. You might be shocked how vague it is. Scam number 5. The OEM parts only. This one sounds smart. We only use original parts from the manufacturer. And while OEM parts can be great, they're not always necessary. Many high-quality aftermarket parts are made by the same companies that make OEM ones, just without the brand logo, and they cost 30 to 50% less. Mechanics often use this upsell because OEM sounds safer. But the truth is, unless your car is under warranty or you're restoring a collector's car, aftermarket parts are perfectly fine and much cheaper. Scam number 6. The fake leak fix. Oil leak? Coolant leak? You bring it in. The mechanic says they found the problem, they fix it, and a week later, it's back. Sometimes, shady mechanics don't actually fix the leak, they just clean the area so it looks repaired, collect your money, and wait for you to come back. Always ask for a before and after photo, or an explanation of what part was replaced. Real leaks leave residue, so if your engine bay looks freshly washed, be suspicious. Scam number 7. The tire replacement trick. You need new tires right away. Yours are unsafe. Sound familiar? While tire safety is important, some mechanics push unnecessary replacements to boost sales. Here's the truth. You can check tire health yourself with the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, it's time to replace them. If not, you're good. Many shops will also push age over actual condition, but unless your tires are over 6 years old or showing cracks, they're usually fine. Scam number 8. Charging for parts they never replaced. This is one of the dirtiest scams in the book. Charging you for parts that never got replaced. It's easy to miss because most customers never ask for proof. If you're paying for a new air filter, spark plugs, or brake pads, ask to see your old parts. Honest shops will gladly show them to you. Shady ones might hesitate or make excuses. A good rule of thumb: always check your invoice and parts list before leaving. Scam number 9. The fake alignment. You go in for a simple tire rotation, and suddenly you're told your alignment is off. Just $99 to fix it. Here's the problem. Unless your steering feels off, your tires are wearing unevenly, or you recently hit a big pothole. There's no reason to do an alignment. It's an easy upsell because you can't see alignment. They can just say it's off, and you'll believe it. If in doubt, ask for the before and after alignment printout. If they can't show you one, walk away. Scam number 10. The scare tactic. This one preys on fear, and it works. Mechanics tell you, this is dangerous. You shouldn't drive another mile without fixing it. Now, sometimes that's true, but often it's just a scare tactic to make you agree fast. If the repair costs more than a few $100s, always get a second opinion. A trustworthy mechanic will explain what's wrong, show you the issue, and give you time to decide. A scammer will use fear and urgency. So, how do you avoid getting ripped off? Here's what you can do. Always ask for a written estimate before they start work. Request your old parts back. Look up your car's maintenance schedule online. And most importantly, find a trusted mechanic. Someone who explains things clearly and doesn't pressure you. So, how many of these scams have you heard before? Did a mechanic ever try one of these tricks on you? Drop your story in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos that help you save money and understand your car better. Thanks for watching. And remember, knowledge is the best tool in your garage.